What is up, hams? Dillingham here, and today we're gonna be acting to a 2-second short clip that Name Coming Soon sent me, which is Finish Him sound effect. Which, just thinking about the name Finish Him, it's pretty obvious to me that it has to be the famous line from Mortal Kombat. So I meant to do this much sooner, but I just had a lot of work to do. And we also just had my sister's birthday very recently. But here I am now. And let's take a listen, shall we?
Finish him.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew that that's what it had. I knew it had to be that version.
Finish him.
And you all know the deal. We're gonna listen to it over and over until I just feel like stopping.
Finish him. Finish him. Finish him.
God, this brings back many memories from when I used to play Mortal Kombat. We'll listen to it a couple more times
Finish him.
just to fill that nostalgia void.
Finish him.
All right, one more time.
Finish him.
And this probably would be the perfect time to do like a reincarnation of like a finishing move, but unfortunately I can't with like Mo Bison because you know. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel to catch on any upcoming videos I'll be doing in the near future. Most importantly, to become a ham. And same as always, ham on. Bye-bye.